Welcome everybody. Today we've got old Major Bludd. He has a artificial arm of some sort. I didn't really ever hear the backstory on that. Swivel arm battle grip. I think he was a true second gen character. Lots of dog tags, sidearm, no real big details. As you can see, he's pretty wibbly wobbly on his. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace his O-ring. And the screw too, because I noticed it was very rusty. So, get that out of there. It's been a while since I've done this, so maybe see if I can remember how to do it. Okay, all the pieces out. Get him out of there. Unhook. And there. It was all dry rotted anyway. It went ahead and broke. Okay, let's see if I can remember this now. Go in, I think what I was doing, putting that in there. Grab I think it was this one. I was like, it's been a minute. No, it was not that one. Must have been this one. Put them there. Maybe it'll feed. Okay, it'll feed a little bit on some, and just snag it and then pull them up there. Yeah, there it goes. We got. There's the inside of a G.I. Joe. Let's see, here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and put the arms back in the. No, so that's the front or the other way. No, they go in the back. Yeah. I should have watched the video again. Okay, put the arms in place and the head. I'm pretty sure that's how you do it. Maybe do that after the. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Trying to recall this as I go. I was gonna try and talk about him a little bit as I went. I'm not sure if they ever explored the in the comics. I know that he was sort of brought in as a love, him and Destro had like a love triangle thing going on with the Baroness, and he was sort of trying. Oh, there was always this sort of subtle competition between him and Destro about it. They were still loyal to Cobra, but they also wanted to be with the Baroness. Let's see, get you all the pieces together there. Yeah, there he goes. Let's see here. Yeah, got the cooperate, drop her screw back in, and I remember there was some storyline where I think the Baroness faked her death or something, and like he was the only one who knew. And so he was trying to help her hide from Cobra and the rest of them. I forget what the deal was, but the Joes found them, and I think that sort of ruined the whole plan. I've actually probably still got that comic book around somewhere downstairs. I'm not even sure, but he was, you knew he was a bad guy because he had the eye patch and the evil mustache. Got this. Not a Cobra logo on his arm here. It's sort of, I can get the reflection and not showing it. It's sort of a unique. I think he was supposed to be a mercenary. I think he was on Cobra's payroll, but he wasn't specifically a Cobra guy. Had a helmet, sort of a traditional 80s soldier helmet shape, sorta. Not really, but kinda. I don't know, that might be a hat of some sort, Eastern European. Because it seems like he was supposed to be some sort of Eastern European dignitary or something. But green stripe down the one side. No real details at all on the back. That's made in Hong Kong. There's no where they put it there. Yeah, here it is. The copyright 83, I believe it says. See if I can get focus now. Looking on the monitor. I don't think it's going to focus though. There it goes. Yeah, 83 Hasbro. Got looks like riding boots or motorcycle boots from a highway patrolman in the States. But anyway, that's Major Bludd. Got his repair done. He's held together pretty good, and I think you'll focus on him. Or maybe not. Come on. There you go. And I will cut it off there. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from. And I'll see you next time.